Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to search for a job or shipment by consignee name using quick search option in Fresa application. So initially you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to quick search option at the top of the page. Here we have to choose the type as consignee name. Enter the consignee name in the value column. After filling the details, click on search button. Now the results will be displayed on the screen. We can see here the job number and shipment number related to the consignee name here. If we click on the job number or shipment number, we can directly navigate to the job or shipment summary page. Hope now you got an idea on how to search for a job or shipment by consignee name using quick search option in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.